Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mary Agustin. My student ID number is 20030500 sequence. Okay, here I will explain the journal about an analysis of the language functions. Okay, here is the explanation. Learning materials 1. Introduction 2. Theoretical framework Speaking for academic purpose course Language functions 3. Research method 4. Research and discussion Interactive functions Manipulative, directive functions Informative functions and motivative functions 5. Novelties and 6. Conclusions. Introductions. Become a competent English speaker is the prime orientation for many English as a foreign and second language (EFL or ESL) learners. English learners sometimes evaluate their success in the English learned based on how well they have improved in their spoken ability. Leong and Ahmadi 2017. Consequently, English teachers are expected to design the speaking activities which enable learners working together to share their thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions in a number of speaking tasks and exercises. Thus help the learners to develop and achieve their English communication skill. Mango, Sostra, Budiarsa, and Fatmadevi 2019. 2. Theoretical framework 2.1. Speaking for academic purpose course. The Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education of the Republic Indonesia has legalized Indonesian qualification frameworks which aim to manage Indonesian qualifications standard for higher education throughout Indonesia. 2. Language functions. The achievement of speaking skill ability as stated is needed to be proved by the understanding of language functions. The knowledge of language functions is believed a strong basis for a speaker to achieve his or her speaking ability. Brown 2007 223 said that prime functions of language function is to know the call which want to be achieved with that language, for example, expressing, asking, responding, greetings, saying very well, and so forth. 3. Research method. 3. Research method. The design of this study was descriptive, qualitative. The population of the research was 66 students from 2 classes who enrolled in Speaking for Academic Purpose course at the English Department of Universitas Katolik Indonesia, Santo Paulus Rutan, Flores. A total of 33 students at this college were selected as sample by using purposive technique. The data were collected through observation, field note and recording. The recording was done during respondents practicing the English speaking exercise at the Speaking for Academic Purpose course. 4. Result and discussion. Students' oral conversations during a meeting from October-December 2018 in the Speaking Academic Purpose course were used as source of data used by the researchers in analyzing the language functions. 3.1. Interactive functions. The aims of these functions in the interrelations between participants. The data below were taken from the first and second speaking exercise about religion, tolerance, and teenagers' lifestyle topics which uttered by 5 participants. Data 1. Maria. Hello, Yuven. Good morning, Yuven. Good morning, Maria. How are you this morning? Maria. Yeah, fine. What about you, Yuven? Everything is running well for me. Maria. Oh, I am pleased to hear that. Yuven. Do you mean discussion about global awarenesses on the religion? 4.2. Informative functions. Informative functions aim to share information which implement in explaining functions and expressing functions forms. 4.3. Manipulative functions. These functions refers to the explaining functions that a speaker is asked to be able to manipulate his or her language in advocacy. 4.4. Motivative functions. Motivative functions is frequently used by participants in a number of speaking exercises and speaking for academic purpose course. 4.5. Directive functions. Directive functions is frequently used by participants in their English speaking exercise. 4. Novel deals. After analyzing the conversation done by participants, the researchers found the new two types of language functions, namely manipulative and motivative. These functions have a vital role in the statements of participant functional communication. Manipulative and motivative functions can be identified as a great tactic for a speaker in covering his or her lacking of vocabulary, grammar, fluency, comprehension in making paragraphing, and topical knowledge. These two functions are also cannot be separated from other types of language functions such as interactive, informative, directive, and so forth. The understanding of language functions enables speakers to have the functional communication and cope better with the communication problems they encounter in their interactions. 5. Conclusions. The prime functions of language in everyday context is concerned broadly with the social life. There is interdependency between functions of language and human life. Human is enabled to convey their information to each other or request service of some kind in a variety of situations. There are 5 types of language functions used in a sundry of exercise and speaking for academic courses, such as interactive functions, informative, manipulative, motivative, and directive functions. Those functions are interdependent in supporting functional communication based on the situation needed. Speaking instructors are suggested to provide concept of language function in their English speaking process. Okay, thank you.